Governor, these players, some of them left their club and said, look, we heard what happened within the last 6 months in Edo State. They left their club. I won't mention the club. 3 of them are here. They left their club and said they want to earn their money every month. They don't want clubs to be paying them every three months because they know that Edo, they pay as I went to and they are here. So the passion is already there. And integrity. If there is anything Mr. Governor is very serious about beyond passion for the job is integrity. Everything we must do it clean. And that is why Mr. Governor has insisted that we must take our work seriously. And for the players, they must take their training seriously. Kits are available, everything that they need is available. The insurance camp, football camp, they know how it looks like now. And you know how it used to look like. But today, they are living it not completely comfortable because at the end of the day, where we are going, it will be more comfortable than what it is now. And what it is now, they are already celebrating it. So Mr. Governor, I want to thank you. And the major thing we want to do this evening, beyond the logo that we have already unveiled, we also have to unveil the new jersey. Brand is a name. And you know, most of these clubs, when we travel, we buy their merchandise. There are many things we buy, we face cap, key holders, all those things. So insurance has a potential to make money for itself. You know, when we have a governor that everything about him is business-like, and he's always saying, our problem is not the money, just think it and it will work. So now, we have think insurance and insurance is already working. So Mr. Governor, once again, we want to invite you, and I know the NFF player just smiling because very recently he did something like this somewhere, and immediately he did it. Those jerseys are not anywhere in the market because of the brand. They are conditioned to branding, and we are doing it. And interestingly, Mr. Governor, you are the first governor that is actually unveiling and having a brand name like this in Nigeria. That is just the truth. And I'm sure you will confirm that. We are following my brother, so we are giving him close backing. As he's doing it at the national, we are doing it here. Mr. Governor, I want to invite you again to unveil the new Bendel insurance jersey. Wait. Please sit down.
You all heard the essence of the brand which we have just launched, called Bendel Insurance Football Club. The brand, as the Deputy Governor expressed, reveals who we are. The people with a long and deep-rooted culture, a people with a history we're very proud of, a people with core values, discipline, hard work, and a people that are very aspirational. All of that essence is going to be captured in the brand and all the merchandises that will be so branded. I now want to launch the new jersey for Bendel Insurance Football Club, and after I do so, all of you are going to have at least one jersey each, even if you're not playing. Do you say you are going to patronize this brand? Yes. Are you all going to wear our jersey? Yes. So should I reveal it? Yes. Here it is.
yellow jersey is our home jersey. Why? The next slide, please. The next slide. The green jersey is our away jersey. And next slide, please. The white is the neutral jersey. In football, by the rules of the NFF and Nigeria, there are home jerseys, which is your traditional color. Then the green jersey and your away color must not be in conflict with the home team. And every season, you go with your colors. So these are the colors that we approved by the Nigeria League Management for Bendel Insurance this season. Mr. Governor, sir.
Who bring it up?
That is the neutral jersey. And this is our color. This is the old jersey, the color of Bendel Insurance. And this is the away. This is the away color.
Black man for you.
Thank you, sir.
On that note, we want to thank His Excellency, the Governor of Edo State, and the Deputy Governor of Edo State,